Hi everybody! In this video I will explain more about our fitness program Xitonia, specifically about how our workout routines should be performed. All our exercises are done on the same basic principles. So we can take any exercise as an example, like this one. Now, let's review the common principles that we used in this exercise. Each exercise consists of sequences of moves. We call them cycles. Each cycle is done on 4 counts to the sounds of a drum. On the count of 1, 2, 3, you perform the exercise from beginning to the end. And on the count of 4, you return to the initial position. It's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So because every move is done on the count of 1, 2, 3, you need to select these 3 positions. So how do you pinpoint them? The first one is closer to you. It's just when you enter the move. You can call it preparation. The middle one is the middle point. It's when you perform the exercise in full strength, but within the comfort zone. And the third point is when you reach the maximum, when you reach your limits. In many of our exercises, the cycle of going through these 3 points is done in pairs. First, you do it to one side, 1, 2, 3. Then you do it to the other side, 1, 2, 3. And then you repeat everything again. The next common principle is using an imaginary resistance. When you do the exercise, imagine that you need to push or squeeze something big, heavy and flexible. Actually, this is why we use the 3-point principle, because at each point you push this imaginary object. And because the resistance is flexible, your movements are springy, like that. So you are not hitting the object, you push it gently with these springy movements. Also remember that you need to use your entire body, not just your hand, but your entire body when you do this pushing. Because when you do that, you strain not only the muscles of your arm, but you strain your entire body. One more thing. After every push, you pull back your arm and body a little bit to prepare for the next push. This way you enter each movement gently and you increase the intensity gradually. This helps you avoid muscle strain and injuries. Actually, this is one of the main principles of our fitness routine, that you need to do everything gently and gradually. Another common principle of our fitness system is that your legs are constantly moving. You do this springy squatting to the sounds of the drum and swaying moves from side to side. And you should do this squatting very light, almost like dancing a little bit. This constant leg movements serves many purposes. First, you are getting your cardio, because you move all the time. Then you work out your legs. Then it helps you keep the pace of the exercise all the time. You stay in the same pace. In addition to that, it helps you to enter a state of a light trance, because this movement, like you do, this helps you to put aside all your worries, to relax. It's like rebooting your mind. Finally, one more common principle: the drums. As I mentioned before, all our exercises are done to the beats of drums in 4 counts. This helps you keep the pace of the exercise, and you can enter the state of a light trance. You can download the drum beats from our website. The link is below. We use 3 types of drum beats: regular, fast, and slow. In all our videos, I do the demonstrations in fast pace. If you're comfortable with that, you can do the same. But for the beginners who just start to learn our exercises, I recommend to use the slow pace. Then you can switch to the basic pace, and then after certain practice, when you feel comfortable, you can do the exercise in fast pace. And if you ask, do I have to use your drum beats only? The answer will be not necessarily. You can use any music you like, as long as it fits the pace of the exercise you do, and as long as you can do these 4 counts without interruptions. This is all I wanted to tell you about how to perform our workout routine. In a separate video, I will explain in details about each exercise and how to do it. Today, I just wanted to lay out the basic principles that our workout is built on. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Long live everybody!